Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Positive Vibes. In this video, I am gonna share with you two different natural antiseptic remedies using this calendula or marigold flowers. Most of us know this flower for its decorative value, but in this video, I am gonna tell you its medicinal uses. You will be surprised to know guys, this marigold flower has been used since ancient times as a first aid herbal remedy. It is commonly used to treat wounds, infections, inflammations, chapped lips, dry skin, etc. It is also used internally due to its antimicrobial properties. It used to fight with pathogens such as viruses, bacteria and fungi. Thus, we can say that this marigold flower is having great medicinal value. As you can see guys, it was used as balm and creams as antiseptic and inflammatory agents during the Northern American Civil War as well as in the First World War. Thus we can conclude that this flower is a very good herb for our skin. Thus in this video I am gonna share with you two different antiseptic remedies using this flower. First one is antiseptic toner, which you can apply on your face as well as body. Second one is ointment cream. So without wasting any time, let's get started with our video. So firstly, let me tell you how to prepare this marigold antiseptic toner.
So to prepare marigold antiseptic toner and cream, we have to take some fresh marigold flowers. Now start removing the petals. Remove only dead parts of petals, which I am showing you guys. We have to leave this portion. Similarly, remove the petals of rest of the flowers. Now our next step is to wash these petals in order to remove some dirt or dust particles. So guys, after washing these marigold petals, our next step is to boil about 1 cup of water. After boiling this water, remove it from the stove and soak these marigold petals into it for about 15 to 20 minutes. After resting for about 15 to 20 minutes, we will observe that the water will become yellow in color. So this is the sign that our toner is ready. Now with the help of sieve, separate the toner and petals. Guys, don't throw away these petals, we will use it further in making antiseptic cream. And now our toner is ready. In order to increase its antiseptic properties, we will further add few ingredients into it. These are apple cider vinegar, honey and tea tree oil. Now fill the toner in a jar, add 1 tablespoon of honey into it, mix it well. Then further add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then further add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil into it. Now mix these all ingredients well and our antiseptic marigold toner is ready to use. This is a really very good toner guys. You can use it on your face as well as you can add it in your bathing water. It will keep away from all kind of infections because it have great medicinal value.
Now let me tell you how to make this ointment cream, which you can apply on your cuts, wounds, minor burns, chapped lips, your dry skin, etc.
So to prepare marigold antiseptic cream or ointment, crush those leftover marigold petals in this mortar and pestle and prepare a thin paste of it. We will use it as a base of our antiseptic cream. Take jojoba oil or any oil of your choice, turmeric powder, tea tree oil, aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsules. Now take about 1 tablespoon of marigold petals paste, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel into it and mix it well. Now further add half tablespoon of jojoba oil or any oil of your choice. Squeeze out oil of 2 vitamin E capsules, or if you have ready-made vitamin E oil, then take half tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Now further add 2 drops of tea tree oil into it, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix all these ingredients well. And our antiseptic marigold ointment is ready to use. You can apply it on bees sting, acne, pimples, wounds, cuts, minor burns, etc. Believe me guys, it has excellent antiseptic properties. To test it, I have used it on my pimple and within an overnight, it has vanished away my pimple. I was literally amazed by its results because I have also not expected this much from this ointment. So I'm 100% sure you will also get benefited from it.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Meet you next time. Take care. Bye bye.